Magnum Simulator's installation is a breeze for anyone who is technically minded if you follow our instructions. Setup takes 30 minutes for a proficient installer, while do-it-yourselfers may conduct it in an hour. A basic skill is required though, so if you are not technically or electronically inclined, it's recommended that you hire a technician. Cut the voltage signal and voltage ground wire of the oxygen sensor harness in between the oxygen sensor and its connector. Use auto-wiring heat-proof electrical cloth tape for insulating the harness. Strip all wires and crimp the male as well as the female connectors in pairs into the all 8 wires. In lack of a cable stripper, you can use diagonal or cutter pliers. Just make sure not to cut off cords of the wire. If you don't have a professional crimping tool, don't worry, you can use pliers. See the wire colors and operations of each wire in your vehicle's wiring diagram, or refer to our color response chart. Locate an ignition feed 12-volt power source on the vehicle's any electrical component or equipment, like GPS, horn or fuel pump, which is active only when ignition is turned on. You can use any power source that works only when the ignition is on, or you can find ignition feed in the main fuse box. Drive a positive and a negative wire to the oxygen sensor area or where you install the simulator. For ground, you can employ any metal part on the engine frame that shows conductivity to the battery negative terminal. Never tap into the oxygen sensor's heater wires to add ignition feed for your simulator. When all bullet connectors are paired, insulate the harness with the cloth tape or with any material you find suitable. Zip tie or tie strap the simulator to the factory wire harness or to any fixture that is as far away as possible from the hot exhaust parts or piping. Crank the engine and your setup is complete.